Okay, so we've got all of our posts installed and temporary secure. So now it's time to put the top cap on. And the top cap is called also your grabber rail, whatever you want to call it. I'd like to talk a little bit about what all kinds of different grabber rails you can use. This one here is a standard. It's called a 6010 profile, and it's readily available at any of the stores here in town. Also, this one here, as you can see, this groove here is plowed out. So it fits really nicely on these brackets on top of the post. So you can see how, and that's one of the reasons we did this, was so it would fit on that bracket, and you had a lot of different options of grab rail. You get this profile or any other profiles. LJ Smith's a good one to go look at on the internet. They have a lot of different profiles. If you don't like this one, you want to do something different. Also, they can get these, like I said, in plowed or non-plowed. Pretty much any species of wood that you want to get, you can get too. So that's really good. You can do something as simple as a square piece if you want to. You can make it yourself, and it just sets right on top. Here, if you do that, the brackets are more exposed. Whichever look you want to do is available. That's one of the reasons we don't supply the top cap with the interior handrail system, just because there is so many options out there for this. So that's what we do for top caps. So like I say, I would start with probably LJ Smith. Go on the web, and they have a lot of different profiles for you to look at. But you can also do something as simple as just a square piece. SBS stocks a couple different styles of rail too. So lots of options out there for top cap, and that's the reason for these posts, is so you have a wide variety of options.